Welcome to Lola Fun Gifts. Leave the like now at the beginning and subscribe. Number 1, choose your gift, but be careful not to choose the wrong surprise. Very scary. The box 3 nail looks like the werewolf nail. Number 2, I was told the next box is new cars. Choose your gift. Wow, what beautiful cars! But that first car looks like an alien ship. Number 3, which box will you choose now? Box 1, 2, or 3? This number 3 haircut fooled me. Looks like a gentleman with glasses. Number 4, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like to help us grow on YouTube. Ha 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 ha. If you chose box 2, you will have to live in the ice house. Number 5, choose your gift. Comment on the video your choices. Did you choose the banana cell phone or the cute cell phones? Number 6, I'm told you have super cool shoes. Choose your gift. The shoes are really cool. But if you chose the fish sandal, you lost. Number 7, choose your gift, but watch out for the wrong box. These bags are really cool. Hope you didn't choose box 3. Number 8, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Choose your gift now. This time I chose box 3 and I loved my gift. And you, did you like your choice? Number 9, I heard that the next box contains stylish items. They are really stylish glasses. But the one in box 3 is kind of weird, isn't it? Number 10, choose your gift. But beware of the wrong surprise. Barbie and Sonic cake are beautiful. But if you took box 1, you lost. Number 11, which box will you choose now? I loved my choice. They are very cool soccer balls. Only the one in box 3 needs one repair. Number 12. Carefully choose the next box. Ha ha ha. If you chose box 2, you lost. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Bye.